Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool amazing bar right here in my hand. If you can see, basically what this is a pet nail grinder that you can use to grind your pet's nails. Especially for those guys who don't want to use like a nail clipper to clip your pet's nails, then you guys should definitely look into getting one of these products. But first thing first, let me actually open up and show you what comes out the package first. You guys can see that inside they provide you a little user manual on how to set up the product and how to use it, and all the different functionality that's on here. They provide you a cable, which is a USB to micro USB cable to charge up the product. And then last but not least is the actual product itself right here. So you can see this is basically what the product looks like. They have the logo right here. They have the off button right here, and on button is also here as well. So basically how you guys activate the product is by turning this knob right here to activate it and close it like that. So if you guys turn it all the way to the maximum, it'll be super loud and super powerful. But if you guys turn it lower, the strength goes lower, so that way you guys won't hurt your pet and whatnot. And then on top part, you can see that there's a lid or cap right here to protect the product, so that way it's safe to have around anywhere. So when we take out the cap, you guys can see this is basically what it looks like. If you guys can use this part right here for like medium-sized pets, you guys can use this side for a small pet, so like maybe a cat or something. But if you guys have like a really big pet and you guys have to grind the nails really easily or really quickly, you guys can turn it open like this to remove it, and you can use the whole entire thing like this. So just to show you guys how powerful it can be when you guys use the product. So you can control like how powerful you guys want it to be when you're like grinding your pet's nails and whatnot. So when you guys feel it feels safe, but when you guys turn it on, you guys should probably be a little bit more careful, because it does grind pretty hard like this. If you guys can see. Even for human beings, it's pretty easy to use. If you guys want to like use it for your own nails, you guys can. But this is mainly for like pets, so it makes it a little bit easier. So let me actually show you guys a quick example on how to use it. So I'm gonna use the lowest setting right now. So I'm gonna use my nail to kind of show you guys an example of what it's gonna be like. So you guys don't want to like jam your finger in like that. You guys want to be really careful, like slowly, like just move it in like slowly like this.
Good boy. Right.
So let me actually go through a quick test to show you guys how to charge the product and what it looks like when you guys charge it, and then come back and talk more about the product itself. Alright, so we have the product right here. We're going to do a quick charging test to show you guys how you guys know when it's charging and when it's full. So we're going to plug in the cable right now. Alright, so I have it plugged in right there. You can see there's the red indicator light right here. So basically when it's fully charged, this light should either turn green or turn off, and that's how you guys know. Alright, welcome back guys. So now that you saw the video, you can see it's really easy to charge the product itself. Nothing too difficult about using the product and everything. Really easy to use, really easy to set up, really easy to charge, and everything about the product is so simple and so safe. One thing that I want to talk about is the battery life. So according to them, they said that one full charge on the product can last you guys up to 20 hours. Not like other brands that are supposed to last 3 to 5 hours according to what they said on the website. I'll probably do like an update video or let you guys know here whether or not actually lasts that full 20 hours that they mentioned on the Amazon listing. But to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it so far from using the product itself, I would have to say that it's actually really worth it if you guys need one of these. Especially if you guys have like pets and you guys have a hard time cutting the nails with a nail clipper. This product would definitely make your life a lot easier to cut your nails for your pet or maybe even for yourself if you guys wanted to. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want one or don't need one or have no use for one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you actually do need. But other than that, that's pretty much it for this little unboxing, testing, and feedback about this product. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video and you guys want to see more, then make sure to click on that bell notification in the bottom to be notified of new videos that will be coming up in the future. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout out day, we have